Greetings and salutations to all of my urban gardening friends. Today I am presented with the awesome opportunity of presenting to you the solution to all of your mosquito and flying insect problems. This is the Professional Bug Zapper by Careland and X-Pest. This powerful device is equipped with all features you need to combat mosquitoes, fungus gnats, wasps, moths, fruit flies, and other pests lurking in your home and your growing area. So first and foremost, let's talk about the multifunctionality that this device has. With its attracting bait, electric grid, strong fan, UV light, and insect collection bay, this mosquito killer offers a range of options to suit your needs. You can choose the different combinations that suit them, whether you want to suck the mosquitoes in, and moths and gnats and so forth, or just simply turn on the electric shock light and allow it to do its job. One side note is that the device is powered by a USB-C type cord, which is included, but unfortunately a power block is not. But with the use of cell phones, we all have spare power blocks around the house. Starting now and until May 9th, if you go to the link in the pinned comments below and use my specific coupon, you get an additional 40% off. So don't wait. I don't know about you, but hearing the snap, crackle, and pop of mosquitoes as 1800 volts is sent through their little bodies in milliseconds is soothing to me. I despise mosquitoes. But it is recommended when using the device to make sure to place it in a dark room or dark deck so that it reaches optimal performance. If you're a grower like me, you start seeds indoors in between growing seasons. And let's face it, fruit flies and fungus gnats can really be a problem sometimes. But with the electric grid, strong fan, and UV light that comes from this professional bug zapper, it makes short work of all of those flying insects. And when it comes to cleaning is a breeze with this device. It comes with a handy brush to remove any mosquito bodies stuck in the grid. Plus, there's a removable tray at the bottom with the device for easy disposal of the dead insects. Just periodically remove the tray and say goodbye to those pests for good. That's going to be it for us here at Urban Gardening with Ray. So remember, enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden. Thanks for watching, guys.